Welcome, Pirate families, to the April 27th Monday morning message. I'm going to start with a little good news. For the third year in a row, Lytle Primary and Lytle Elementary have been named a Capturing Kids' Heart National Showcase School. Let's give a shout out to the faculty, staff, and students for being amazing. Wonderful culture created at these schools. As we approach the month of May, we begin to think about closing schools. As you can imagine, this year will be much different than any other year. Teachers will be working with students to finish up on assignments, as well as contacting parents in the event a student needs support or is at risk of failing. We will also discuss how, when, and what summer school will look like, and what students might need to attend. Please stay in contact with your child's teacher for academic support and direction. The Student Showcase is always a favorite event at the end of the year. This year is no different in that we are able to feature amazing student work each day. Please check out our website or social media pages to see the wonderful work displayed by students. Good job, guys. We are very proud of you. Another end of the year task includes cleaning out and packing up classrooms. Teachers will be reporting to campuses in shifts throughout the first few weeks of May. They will be gathering up student belongings, then will contact parents with a set time to pick up those things. Teachers will also have students return items such as library books during this time. Contact your child's teacher for more information. At the secondary level, there are not many school supplies to be picked up. However, the athletic department will be contacting students if they have workout clothes or equipment that needs to be picked up. Return of jerseys and equipment by students has already been planned and is underway. These efforts will prepare the buildings for the thorough cleaning and sanitizing that will take place this summer. Finally, the month of May brings to mind seniors. We have many things planned to celebrate our seniors, and they will be featured throughout the month on our website and social media sites. However, the most important event we need to plan is graduation. So this Thursday night, April 30th at 6 o'clock, the school board will have a special called meeting to discuss graduation options. The board meets via Zoom, and the link will be posted if anyone would like to attend the meeting remotely. Friendly comment, only the board members will be in the discussion, as other participants will be muted. We will have an opportunity for input via an email that will be provided. Several options will be considered, including a live, face-to-face graduation on the football field. This seems to be the most desired option at this time, and we are committed to at least trying to devise a plan that might allow this to happen. It will require coordination with local officials and will not be completely up to the school district. However, the better plan we have in place, the more likelihood something could be worked out. We will also discuss having Plan B in place for graduation, and even Plan C, D, and E, since this is such an important event and we want to honor and support our seniors the best way we can. As things progress during the month of May, the plans we make now may have to change, so we ask everyone to continue to be patient and flexible as we navigate through these unusual times. Please stay tuned for more information. Well, this concludes the message for this week. As things begin to open back up, please remember to practice the behaviors that are working and allow us to reopen. Cover your face when required, social distance, and wash your hands. God bless you, stay safe, and be a good pirate. Return of jerseys and equipment by students has already began planned, and this plan is let's start that over. Return of jerseys and equipment by students has already been planned. Why am I messing it up? Return of students and equipment. Return the students, please. Please return our students. We miss them. Okay.